Today we're going to bring a barbecue set, and this is an actual basket to put on your ingredients, all your tools. This is perfect if you're going to go outdoors and do a barbecue. Now, it comes out as it is right now, but they give you the tools, the wrench, the Allen wrench to put this together. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks. All right, there it is. We got it made. So we're gonna hang a couple things in here and see how well it looks. So hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, if you guys can see, this is ready for going barbecue. You got your paper foil here, a couple tongues, your paper plates, your ingredients. Look at that, ingredients, and then you got paper towels up top. You can grab it from the top. You could add more ingredients on the side. Very simple. I like the whole setup, whole aesthetics of it. How easy it is to carry. You could carry around the grip. It has a great grip here. It has a great grip. All around looks really good. It was easy to set up, easy to use, ready for barbecuing this Easter. I hope you guys enjoy the video.